I bought a $25 flower press off of Amazon. Let's see if it works. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Rachel of The Crafted Life. I've been creating DIY projects on the internet since 2011, and I've even done some flower pressing projects in the past, like using blotter paper, pressing flowers in a book, and pressing flowers in the microwave, which is how I actually preserved my wedding bouquet. So let's just jump right into how to use the flower press.
Okay, so this is the kit that I grabbed. There's a link for it in the captions below, but it comes with everything you need to start pressing a handful of flowers. This was the first spring we spent in our new home, and the garden was bursting with daisies, so that's what I'm pressing for this batch. I like to start by placing the hardware so I don't have to shift anything after the flowers are placed. The order of your press will be wood, cardboard, blotting paper, then flowers. Arrange your flowers to be as flat as possible and make sure the petals and leaves aren't overlapping. It helps to do the same level of thickness on the same sheet. Freshly cut flowers will have the best coloring when pressing, but avoid any moisture or dew on the outside. Once you're done arranging your flowers, cover with another sheet of blotting paper, another sheet of cardboard, and then repeat until you're ready to close the press. I'm leaving mine for 3 weeks, but I'll tighten the bolts over the next day or two.
So it's been 3 weeks since adding my flowers to my press. Let's open it up and see how the flowers turned out.
This is always the most exciting part. Not every flower you press will turn out perfectly, but that's the fun. I think these daisies turned out so sweet, and I would say that this $25 press does work and is fun to try, especially as a beginner. My plan is to turn these daisies into framed art, so stay tuned and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss it.